Hey there, this is Andrew. I just wanted to quickly ask for your help. I know that I've been kind of slacking on this channel because of copyright issues with YouTube. And so rather than put up a bunch of videos that may or may not be of interest or really anything to do with this particular channel niche, I decided to start a new channel called techfordads.com. And actually, I created a companion YouTube site with the same name, Tech for Dads. And I'll leave a link below, but if you just search for Tech for Dads, you'll find it. I would really appreciate it if anybody that's interested in technologies, gadgets, electronics, lifestyle for men, basically, that sort of thing, to possibly give me a follow there or subscribe there. I would really appreciate it. I'm going to try to build that channel up and not neglect this one, but use that one as my kind of outlet for everything other than music video type of things. And I was thinking that a lot of this audience might actually be interested in that as well. So it'll be like reviews and just different things like that. And I sure hope you'd help me out there, and I would appreciate it. Thank you so much.